Hello everyone, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So welcome to your reading, guys. Follow me on SASHELLS Shells Instagram. Sending you love all the way from India. Let's start with your reading now. Also, just give me a second. Okay, these cards I've been shuffling actually. Okay. Also, I do have Facebook page Shell Speaks Messages. Till date, I have to do the editing and all. Okay, so twin flame soulmates connections, though these are for the dates that I'm giving you, but though timeless. Okay, so whenever is your time, it will resonate with you. Come back and check later. Okay, twin flame soulmates connections. I feel like I'm hearing the word the situation you are in. Okay, though the situation that you are in might not be that healthy or might not be that appealing or not full of appreciation kind of vibe I'm getting. When I heard that sentence, actually, it was not telling me that it was full of satisfaction, kind of like a very heavy sentence that was coming. So let's see. I've been shuffling this deck and you got this flip here, Ace of Pentacles, but also you are getting the birds. Okay, so the birds signify dire misfortune and fierce enemies when near. So I'm not doing the layout though, but I'll be speaking. If far away from the person with certain numbers, a chance to avert the evil spell. Now, I feel like there is some chaos here. Okay. Also, there is someone you are having some work collaboration. I see kind of like a collaboration. And I feel like there are two energies, you and the other person, exact. And this is work collaboration here. Something is going around the work, but at a place that is specific, one place. So for some cases this is something not right. There is something that's this is the cry of the bird I see. Okay, so if it is like the situation you are in is either not being appreciated, maybe work or something that is going in not so right situation. Maybe if you are with the person, I mean with the partner, if you're married, if you are living with someone, but your work is kind of that energy. Maybe you're working with someone, so the collaboration is little not being liked, I see. But there is also the choices that you are making, the place you are in. This is about your home, but this is also about the call of like the shift. Okay, so this is something uncomfortable that you might be feeling, or the person around you is feeling, or is with you is feeling. The stork denotes change of residence for the better, sooner or later, according to the distance which it lies from the person. I feel like some of you have a family here, home, stork. Maybe this is a water sign here. Okay. It's also about that you're very serious about the work that you are doing. It's about something that you are doing it like kind of like on the daily basis here. Okay. We'll see in here now. Okay, so the situation you are in, what kind of situation you are in. Okay, so that's Eight of Wands energy. I see a lot of discussion. Okay, the snake indicates enmity and calamities, the degree of which is governed by the distance of the card from the person. So I'm doing it in a different way. I'm not doing the layout, so but I need to say the words. But there's this snake. Okay, so I feel like someone is getting uncomfortable, or someone is trying to know the situation. Also, it is about your flexibility. Eight of Wands may connect with something that's going very fast, the discussion, the communication, the practice. This is Wand energy, creative field of yours, possible. Is it the discussion between you and the person you are in relationship with? And this is something not like, it's kind of like a hiss. So it's not, it's chaotic little bit. The situation you are in is like this. Okay, this is compact here. Can I explain you in a better way? I'll use the tarots. Okay, but I feel like this is something that you are very clear about, like you really want to end this chaotic situation here, but your flexibility is not being liked by other energies or energy in particular. This is about your work also, because you're getting Ace of Pentacles. So we'll see. in your future call or future wife. Calamity could be natural, calamity could be something at the place you are in. Okay, this could be at the place you are in. Four of Wands energy, work related situations, organizations, offices, some events, or this may be something connected with home. With the key, I see the lock, I see secrecy, I see something that you are putting up with or keeping a secret. The key nearby is a certain augury of success, but if surrounded by unlucky cards, the prognostication is illness. Now, I think something is not being liked. Also, there's this work related lot of discussion I see, flexibility in you I see, so but chaotic. Okay, a little bit chaos I see at home. Yeah, something connected with the rose that you hold or the relationship that you are in. Nine of Spades is anxiety here, so you're not liking it. Someone over here is not liking it. So you're getting Four of Cups, Four of Hearts energy, which is the fish. The fish is the emblem of riches through stocks, but if distant, foretells failure and disaster. There is some chaos in the stock market, I see, especially. Also, King of Pentacles. So this is your energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The letter is a sign of good tidings when near, and when touching indicates unexpected good fortune. I feel like especially if they are coming reversed here, there is, expect some delay, but discussion, work related delay or something like that. You might be dealing with Piscean here also for some specific people out there. Piscean, this could be relationship related, targeted communication. Okay, you're expecting something. Okay, may get a little delayed, or this is something that you don't know what to do. This is something that where you're feeling exhausted. This could be the relationship you're in. Okay, so could be marriage. I told you with the Four of Wands, especially marriage. Maybe you're just feeling halt here, or stuck situation. I shuffled this deck. You might be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, someone over here is feeling exhausted. Okay, these three cards turning up. So this is about, there is this lady, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, female energy. Okay, this is a king. Why I'm saying female? Okay, it seemed to me female, so take it as a female. Is there any female energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius? You might be having discussions of work or your relationship here. Someone who might be influencing the relationship, or someone who might not be in the right situation to give you the right direction possible, or someone, even if it is not Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, there is this energy who, this could be your energy as well, like you're too serious about the stuff that you're doing, creating chaotic situations and discussions at home, or because of work, or because of just certain issues in your life, which is like seem though flexible but is not exactly. It's kind of a hiss. I see like this is Eight of Cups energy. Something is making you drift away. Maybe this is your person's behavior or gesture, being rude in communication. Though this is king, so could be male energies, but I don't know why I end up saying female again and again. So this may be some discussion that you're in with. You're getting Four of Wands again, means something that is making you unhappy here, something that you want to say but you're not saying it. This is also approval of something that you're expecting, so you might get delay. This may make you a little sad here. Okay, you are writing something, and this could be some sort of application, applying something. Okay, here someone wants to be free or independent or free in working ambience. They don't want those entanglements, those kind of like I'm picking misadventure, okay, misunderstanding or something. Also, this is reverse word. Some problems are in the relationship. Someone who wants freedom. You want to be free, possible, because I'm reading out for you. relationship related, 4 of Wands. You're not feeling that stable in the relationship. That's why you're feeling exhausted. I feel like you're feeling like a fish in the aquarium, in an aquarium, and 10:10 recording time, in an aquarium, and you just want to be out of this. Okay, but you know this is a process of all the letters and everything. 3 of Swords, something is breaking your heart here. The decision, or maybe you're dealing with someone who is married, possible. They might be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, that is creating troubles here. I want to ask, who is this bird? Who is this bird? This bird, oh, okay. There's something new. For some cases, it could be Page of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There could be age difference, but the problem is in the mid is the Justice. I mean, what's wrong and right? What's wrong and right? So this bird is new. Maybe in work collaboration here, or maybe there is something of a talk, emotional communication going on here. Justice could be Libra. Justice is also about what is wrong and right, and you have to decide how close you are with them. Do not create misunderstandings. Be very clear. Don't try to do which is not. Okay? There may be someone who is an Aries around you. You might be dealing. Someone who is controlling you. Someone who is telling you what to do, what not to do. Possible. A multitasker here. Someone who might be your partner. Possible. If not, someone who controls you in some or the other way through communication. Possible. Okay? Ace of Swords. You do have communications. You have this connection with this person. 6 of Cups energy. Well, be right in what you do and where you are heading. I mean, if you are up to something here, already I do feel you are getting distanced, like detached with something here from your home or from your current relationship here. You don't want it, possible, or someone doesn't want it here. 3 of Swords is creating more misunderstandings in the coming time because you cannot breathe here, kind of energy. Okay? Romance, angels. Pay attention to the red flags, what's right and wrong, what you are doing. The signs are cautioning you. Do not repeat, do not do anything wrong. I don't know what's wrong and right. What you are doing, I mean the situation you are in. Say a lot of things about the Justice. Okay? There's this playfulness going. I feel like this is your card. There's this playfulness going. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. I feel like this is playfulness, something connected with the playful act, playful something here. Let go of control issues. You don't want to control all this. Whatever is, and you are like, whatever will happen, will happen. Allow your situation, or allow the situation to unfold naturally. Someone doesn't approve this. Okay, getting to know each other. So there is, if this is something new, there is this playful activity going on. You are not just, you're just letting go of control issues here. There's a lot of communication happening here, and something that will go possible will break the rules or norms here. Also, recording time 1333. Getting to know each other. If this is new, you're knowing someone new. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Well, some bond is getting strong here, I feel. But remember what is right and wrong, what you are getting into. You won't be able to get out of it. So this could be the trappy situation created by you. Okay? Retreat. So take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.